The race to explore space has created new investment opportunities with the potential for massive returns. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming a reality. With advancements in technology and increasing interest from both private and public sectors, space exploration is becoming a booming industry. Even U.S. President Donald Trump has demonstrated strong support for space exploration, establishing the U.S. Space Force, backing NASA's Artemis program, and appointing private sector leaders to key positions. His policies drive even more technological advancements, economic growth, and global collaboration. Investing in the space industry offers opportunities in cutting-edge innovation, job creation, and long-term financial returns. As space exploration expands, so does its potential for investors. In this video, we'll explore how to invest in space exploration and what trends to watch in this fast-growing sector. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's get started. Investing in the final frontier. Over the past decade, space exploration has become more than just a government project. It is now a booming commercial industry. Companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the way in making space travel more accessible and cost-effective. Technological advancements, including reusable rockets and advanced propulsion systems, have drastically reduced the cost of reaching space. NASA, which once spent over $150 million per launch, has seen costs drop significantly with private sector involvement. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, for example, costs approximately $67 million per launch, making space more accessible than ever before. As spaceflight becomes cheaper, new industries are emerging, from satellite internet to asteroid mining. The growing competition in the space sector is making investments more attractive. With companies working to cut costs and develop profitable business models, investors now have opportunities to buy into space companies before they reach their full potential. Space tourism is one of the most exciting developments in the space industry. In 2001, Dennis Tito became the first private citizen to visit space, spending around $20 million for a trip to the International Space Station. Since then, several companies have started offering commercial space travel, and the prices, while still high, are expected to decrease over time. Companies like Blue Origin, SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and Axiom Space are already selling tickets for space travel. A seat on a Virgin Galactic spacecraft currently costs about $450,000, while a 10-day journey with Axiom Space costs around $55 million. Although these prices are still out of reach for most people, growing competition and technological improvements could make space tourism more affordable in the coming years. For investors, this growing industry presents opportunities to invest in companies that are shaping the future of space travel. Space tourism is expected to expand significantly over the next few decades, attracting billions of dollars in investment. Satellite internet and communications. Beyond space tourism, satellite-based internet services are expected to become a major driver of the space economy. According to Morgan Stanley, satellite broadband could make up 70% of the space industry's projected $1 trillion revenue by 2040. This means that the global space industry could exceed $1 trillion in revenue by 2040, up from $350 billion in 2020. This remarkable growth presents investors with numerous ways to take part in the space economy. Companies like SpaceX with its Starlink program, Amazon with Project Kuiper, and OneWeb are working on delivering high-speed internet to remote parts of the world using satellites. These services have the potential to revolutionize communication by providing fast, reliable internet access to areas that currently lack connectivity. Investors looking to capitalize on this growth can consider companies involved in satellite production, launch services, and network infrastructure. As demand for high-speed connectivity grows, satellite broadband will play a crucial role in powering industries like artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. Asteroid mining and space resource exploration. Another fascinating investment opportunity lies in asteroid mining and space resource exploration. Some asteroids contain valuable metals such as platinum, gold, and rare earth elements, which are used in high-tech industries. The potential value of some asteroids is estimated to be in the trillions of dollars. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries have been researching ways to extract these materials from space. While asteroid mining is still in its early stages, advances in robotics and automation could make it a viable industry in the future. Investing in companies working on space mining technologies could provide long-term rewards, as resources from space may one day become essential to the global economy. The growth of space manufacturing. Manufacturing in space is another growing sector that is attracting investor interest. The microgravity environment of space allows for the production of high-quality materials that cannot be made on Earth. For example, fiber optics, pharmaceuticals, and advanced alloys can be produced more efficiently in space than on Earth. Companies like Made in Space and Redwire are developing technology to manufacture products in orbit. As space travel becomes more frequent, more manufacturing processes could shift to space, creating new investment opportunities. Investors can look into companies involved in space-based manufacturing, as this industry is expected to play a key role in the future of space exploration and commercialization. Space-based defense and security. The aerospace and defense sector is another key area benefiting from space exploration. Governments worldwide are investing heavily in satellite defense systems, space-based surveillance, and cybersecurity. The U.S. Space Force, established in 2019, highlights the growing importance of space for national security. Companies such as Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing are major players in this sector. Investors looking to gain exposure to space defense technologies can consider investing in stocks or ETFs related to the aerospace and defense industry. Investing in space stocks and ETFs. Investing in space stocks is one of the most straightforward ways to participate in the growing space industry. Many companies are working on groundbreaking projects from space tourism to satellite internet and defense technologies. SpaceX, though still private, is a leader in commercial space travel and satellite communications with the potential to go public in the future. Similarly, Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is focusing on space tourism and rocket technology, and investors are eager for potential investment opportunities. Virgin Galactic, already publicly traded under the ticker SPCE, is making commercial space tourism a reality. Meanwhile, aerospace and defense giants like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing are deeply involved in space technology, manufacturing satellites, and developing space defense systems. Investors interested in space stocks should conduct thorough research to assess each company's financial health, technological advancements, and long-term potential before making investment decisions. For those looking to diversify their space investments without picking individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or better known as ETFs, offer an attractive alternative. ETFs allow investors to gain exposure to multiple companies in the space sector while spreading risk across different players in the industry. Some of the most well-known space ETFs include the Procure Space ETF, which tracks an index of global aerospace companies, and the AeroK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF, which focuses on firms pioneering space technology. Another option is the SPDR S&P Kensho Final Frontiers ETF, which provides exposure to companies involved in both space exploration and deep-sea technology. Additionally, the iShares US Aerospace and Defense ETF is ideal for those interested in aerospace and defense stocks, including firms heavily engaged in space-related projects. ETFs provide a convenient way to invest in space exploration while reducing the risks associated with betting on a single company. Challenges and risks of space investing. Despite its potential, investing in space exploration comes with significant challenges and risks. One of the biggest concerns is the high costs and long timelines associated with space projects. Developing new technology, building rockets, and launching satellites require enormous capital and patience, meaning that returns on investment may take years or even decades to materialize. Additionally, space companies must navigate complex government regulations, which can slow down progress and impact profitability. Technological risks are also a factor, as innovation in space travel and infrastructure is still in its early stages, leading to potential failures and delays. Finally, the industry is becoming increasingly competitive, with multiple companies vying for dominance in areas such as satellite internet, space tourism, and defense systems. This competition could lead to market saturation and lower profit margins. To manage these risks, investors should carefully research the space sector, diversify their portfolios, and stay informed about technological and regulatory developments before committing their capital. While the space sector carries risks, investors can minimize them by diversifying their investments through space stocks and ETFs. The future of space exploration is bright, and those who invest wisely may find themselves at the forefront of a trillion-dollar industry. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.